Food delivery services are growing rapidly. The outbreak of COVID-19 and the restrictions imposed has increased a lot of popularity and demand for on-demand delivery services like food, groceries, etc. There are a lot of on-demand delivery platforms, but in this video, we're going to talk about the leader of them all, Glovo. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Apptunix and I am back with another video for all the on-demand delivery business owners. If you haven't watched our previous video on how to develop an app like Glovo and how much is it going to cost, I suggest you go and watch it. In this video, I am going to help you understand three things. How does Glovo work? What is Glovo business model? And how does Glovo earn money? Now, as you all must know, Glovo is an on-demand courier delivery platform that takes care of everything, from sending a key to delivering flowers. Did you know that US consumers are spending approximately $57.6 billion to cater more than 22.4 million users annually? The on-demand delivery platforms are growing rapidly, not only among the millennials, but also among the elders. If your business works as a bridge between a set of buyers and sellers, you must invest in on-demand delivery platform like Glovo. Now let's discuss how does Glovo work. We all know online shopping is very popular these days. For every requirement, there is a service available online. The working of Glovo application is very simple with 8 basic steps. Those are: visit the platform, log in or register, add a payment alternative, add delivery address, add the required items in the cart, order acceptance, order delivery, ratings and reviews. You see, that was the simplest working of any on-demand delivery platform. But many people come up with the question, is Glovo profitable? Let me tell you, there are many business owners and entrepreneurs who follow the Glovo business model to get their own on-demand delivery platform. Let me tell you a little bit about the Glovo business model. The key partners are delivery providers, local stores and restaurants, and payment processors. The key activities are managing orders online, managing delivery providers, accepting online payments, and managing IT infrastructure. The key resources are customers who order products online, individuals owning vehicles, and restaurants and store owners. The revenue streams are commissions, standard delivery fees, and income from advertising. The cost structure can be given as marketing, technology, payment to delivery providers, and other miscellaneous expenses. The overall value propositions can be described as on-time product delivery, no minimum order concept, user-friendly app and website, and global presence. The customer relationship aspects Glovo takes care of are promo codes, dedicated support, and social media. And the channels on which Glovo works are a website and a mobile app for Android and iOS. With such a robust business model, any on-demand delivery platform can scale heights. You can also get your own white label solution for Glovo just by clicking on the link in description. Now let's discuss the most important question. How does Glovo earn money? Well, Glovo uses very smart monetization strategies to earn revenue. The first one is commissions, where whenever a user places an order with the partners of Glovo, the app charges a commission fee based on the agreement signed between the partners. The next one is shipping fee, where in addition to the commission, a delivery fee is charged based upon the location, distance, and the time of delivery. The next monetization strategy is subscription, where the user purchases a subscription plan in that the delivery fee is eliminated after a certain amount of money is put in the order. The next one is Q-commerce revenue, where Glovo sells its supermarket items. It has employees who pick up, buy, and deliver goods to the consumers throughout the day. And the last monetization strategy is dark kitchens, where Glovo partners with local restaurants to boost their sales, and these restaurants can also work with dark kitchens when they have reached their capacity. And now that you know everything about the on-demand delivery app like Glovo, it's time to think about your business too. Share your business idea at sales@apptunix.com, or you can also DM us at our social media handles given in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon for future updates.